Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another Costco haul today and I got quite a bit of stuff, a good stock up for the summertime. It's Labor Day weekend and we just had our last day of school on Friday. So my son is out of preschool for the summer. My husband is home for the summer. He teaches. So it's exciting because our pace will slow down a little bit. I still work throughout the summer, but it slows down a lot when most everybody else is at home. But I got some fun things, so let's just get into it. I grabbed this tray of peaches. My husband already stole one and ate it, but we have a tradition of grilling peaches on Memorial Day weekend, so we'll do that tomorrow, and then we'll eat these throughout the week as well. We have some pool shock, just chlorine tabs for our swimming pool. We got this big thing of water balloons. It helps you like plug it into your hose and it blows up a bunch of them, and then you can tie them off, so it works quicker than blowing them up individually. So we'll have a big water balloon fight, or several hopefully, over the summer. We got this new life jacket thing for my 10-month-old that he'll wear when he's in the pool with us. We also got some squirt guns, a big bag of lemons. I use this in different salad dressings and recipes, so I got a bag of that. Our coffee that we always get, the San Francisco Bay French Roast. A big thing of Nesquik for chocolate milk. We've had one of these that has lasted us for so long, so we're just now having to replace it. So my son and my husband both love chocolate milk. Then we got this Kirkland protein trail mix that has honey flavored quinoa clusters, chocolate chips, blueberry protein clusters, dried blueberries, pumpkin seeds, honey roasted, almond, and granola protein clusters. So my 4-year-old likes snacking on stuff like that. Blueberries, a big container of them. A big thing of mayonnaise for sandwiches. And then my husband wanted to get these. They were sampling these at Costco, and these are just like dehydrated hash browns. I guess you kind of add water and then you cook them. He just figured for storage it would be good to have, because then it doesn't have to go in the freezer, it doesn't have to go in the refrigerator. We can just store it either in the garage or in the pantry. So we have those. We got this copper tone sunblock. We still have quite a bit of sunblock left from last summer that we'll use, but I'm sure we'll run out at some point. So we picked this up. It has SPF 50, and we prefer the spray for the kiddos, and then this is just, it came in the pack, but we'll use it. A 2-pack of this oat nut bread. This is the bread that we always get. 2 more of these floaters. So in my last Costco haul, you probably saw us get one of these, and we love it. It's probably like the best floater we've ever had, and so we got 2 more of those so we can share with friends when they come over. My 4-year-old likes to ride in the place where your feet go, and we like paddle around the pool and stuff, so it's a lot of fun. So we grabbed 2 more of those. This big thing of pickles. This is the first time I've seen one of these at Costco, and it's it looks like Bubby's brand bread and butter chips. So got one of those for burgers and stuff, and just to snack on. This big 24-pack of English muffins. That's a staple in our house for breakfast sandwiches. We always make those. This big thing of avocado. We love avocado. These egg bites are really yummy. They're like the sous vide egg bites from Starbucks. So you put them in the microwave for like 60 seconds, and it makes a really good quick breakfast, like on my way to work. This big 6-pack of bell peppers. I think I'm going to make kebabs tomorrow for Memorial Day, so we'll use those. My son already broke into these. These are the Danimals yogurts. He loves those. And then this container of tomatoes. I'll use those in a salad, like a Greek salad, and then on the kebabs as well. A container of apples. I haven't tried these Daisy Girl organic apples before, so we'll see how we like those. This pork chili verde with roasted poblano peppers and tomatilla salsa. This is really, really good. We've had this one other time, and it's just a really yummy quick dinner, so picked that up. We haven't had these before. These are the Lily B's organic bean rice and cheese burritos. There's 8 of these. They're frozen. I just figured I would keep them in the freezer for my husband, like for an easy lunch or something during the day when he's home with our boys. So we'll see how we like those. If you follow Weight Watchers, there are 8 Weight Watchers points a piece. This big Cobb salad with blue cheese and has egg and turkey. Looks like tomato and bacon. My husband wanted this, so we grabbed it. We'll probably eat it maybe for dinner or something tomorrow. The fresh mozzarella, we love this to make caprese salad or just like with tomatoes and basil on bread, and balsamic and olive oil. We love fresh mozzarella, so got a 2-pack of that. This carne asada, I'll probably cook this sometime this next week for dinner. A thing of tuna. We're out of tuna. It's a staple in our house. I got this big thing of ranch. I figured for different crock pot recipes and just for ranch dressing or whatever we need it for. A big container of feta. I love feta so much. We make a lot of Greek salads with tomato and Kalamata olives and red onions, and so I figured we would eat through that probably in the next couple months. A big watermelon for tomorrow, cucumbers for the Greek salads, and then my husband and my 4-year-old love cereal, so we got a big 2-pack of the Honey Bunches of Oats, and then a big 2-pack of Frosted Mini Wheats. And then we also got a really big cooler. They have a cooler at Costco now that's like wooden. It has 2 different sections and it has wheels on it. It's like a decorative piece for out by the pool. So we can just keep it out there. Whenever we have company, we're always moving like bins of ice and drinks out. So we figured it would be nice to have something that was a little more stationary. So we got that, and that's already outside. So that's what we got at this last trip from Costco, just to get us going for the summer. I'm so excited that we're finally at a summer vacation. And I hope that you guys are having a great week. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe and stick around. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.